Hello and welcome back to our series on how to make the most of Microsoft Word while creating your resume. My name is Michelle Dumas, an award-winning professional resume writer with more than a quarter century of experience. I'm also the creator of all the premium Microsoft Word resume templates on the distinctive resume template site. Now today, in this video, the fifth in our series, we'll be diving into how you can use templates to make tailoring your resume for a specific job opportunity easy. Now, whether you're a job seeker crafting your resume for the first time or a seasoned professional resume writer, the techniques I'm about to share will increase your productivity and ease. So let's get started. Customizing your resume is key to showing a potential employer that you're the right fit for the job. By taking the time to customize your resume, you're indicating your interest in the position and demonstrating that you have the skills and the experience that the employer is seeking. So in other words, customizing your resume shows how your skills and experiences and education align with what the employer hopes to find. But keeping track of multiple versions of your resume can really start to become confusing. And what I want to show you today is how you can use Microsoft Word's feature that allows you to create your own custom resume templates to make it much, much easier. So now let's imagine for a moment that you are Robert Job Seeker and that this resume that you see on your screen is your resume. Now you've spent time writing and designing your resume and you're just really, really happy with it. So now let me show you how to save it as a template. All you have to do is go up here to File, Save As, and then select Browse. Hold down the Save As Type menu and then select Word Template. This is the DOCX extension. Now you see that Word automatically opens up the Custom Office Templates folder. Now this is the folder where all of your own personal custom office templates will be saved. On my computer, it's the Documents Custom Office Templates folder. On yours, it might be something different, but it will open up automatically. All you now do is you type in a name for this template. So let's say we put in My Resume Template, Sales Executive, Medical, and Healthcare, because that's the focus of it. And this is important. Make sure that the Save Thumbnail is selected. Right down here, there's a checkbox. Make sure that it's checked. That's very important. Now you're going to save that template. Okay, great. So now let me show you how to use your new template. I'm going to close this template that's open, and you can see, you may or may not be able to see, it's a .x up here, so we actually have the template open at the moment. Okay, now what I want you to do is select New to create a new document, and it's going to open up a screen that looks something like this. Up here at the top, you're going to see any of the recent templates that you've saved or have been working with. And down here, if you scroll down, you'll see there's two tabs here. There's the Office and the Personal tab. On the Office tab, you'll see all of the default templates that come with Microsoft Word. It's the Personal tab that you want to look at. And all of your templates, I have a lot of them, because I am, of course, the creator of the templates sold at Distinctive Resume Templates. However, you will find whatever personal templates you have created. So we're going to scroll down because they're in alphabetical order. My Resume Template, Sales Executive. So now we're going to click on it. And what happens is that it opens up this brand new document. You can make any changes to this document and it will not impact the master resume template at all. So let me show you. Let's say you wanted to create a version of this resume that was industry neutral to help you break into a brand new industry. So what we're going to do is we will say take out this industry language here, and let's take out some of this industry language here, and say you made some other changes to it. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now. But now you've got a brand new version of your resume that is just a senior sales executive. So all you do now is you just save it. File, Save As, and then browse to the folder where you want to save it, of course, And you could put in the name of the document, sales executive resume, say, and this time save it as a DOCX, and save it in whatever folder you want to save it in, and you're saving it as a DOCX. This is the version of your resume that you will use for senior sales executive jobs. Now, let's say that you want to create another version focused on marketing in the healthcare and medical device industries. So that's easy. All you do, again, you come up here, File, New, and because you've just been working with it, that resume template is showing right at the beginning of all of these templates here. So all you have to do is choose it. Again, it opens up to an unchanged version, but it's in a brand new document. You make whatever changes that you need to make to it. Let's say marketing executive. And then you just save it as a new document. So this time you're going to save it. You'll maybe name it marketing executive resume. And this time, again, you save it as a DOCX instead of a template. And this is the one that you will use for any marketing executive jobs. It's really that simple. And of course, this isn't limited to just your resume. You can consider using the same technique to create a master template out of any cover letters you use, to make it easy to customize them to the job, keeping a copy of them each time. Or similarly, you could do the same thing with your executive biography. Knowing how to create custom templates of your resume and other documents will turn what used to be a really grueling and confusing process to tailor your resume into a really simple and streamlined way of doing this. So this wraps up today's video on creating custom resume templates in Microsoft Word. For a deeper dive into each of these techniques, don't forget to check out my detailed blog post, which is linked in the description below. I'm Michelle Dumas, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe for more resume writing and design tips. And until then, happy job hunting, and thank you for watching.